Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, andito tayo ngayon sa Perch Antipolo to feature ang ating mga promo that will end until June 30, 2024. So 3 days na lang guys. Okay, so samahan nyo ako. And I would like to invite you all to hit that subscribe button and click that little bell so that you will be notified every time we have a new video here sa Perch and Sand Valley Estates. So kung gusto mong i-manifest ang Perch and Sand Valley house and lots or investment here, please tap that subscribe button. So my name is Jen, so let's go! So guys, papasok tayo ngayon ng Perch Gate. So this is a first-class community. We have 2 gates. Yung kaninang inano natin. Ayan. So, kilala na tayo ng guard. Okay na? Kuya? Ayan, sige. Pero mahigpit sila dito, guys. So, kailangan nyo magpakita ng ID. Okay? So, puntahan natin yung mga promo nating mga bahay. Okay, so guys, ito yung Rochester's house natin. We have available one ready for occupancy natin siya. Okay, so ginagawa yung ating carport for today. Ayan, tinatapos lang nila guys. Pero kasi this will end in 3 days. Original contract price nito guys ay 35 million. Pero until June 30 tayo ay naka-promo ng outright cash price na 28 million. Okay, so ito yung ating Rochester. This is ready for occupancy guys. So ito yung pinaka-carport. 2 to 4 carport ang pwede magkasya dito sa sasakyan. This is your porch. And this is your main entry door. This is your living room guys. Wow, ang ganda. Okay, and this is your dining area guys. And your kitchen. Again guys, this is ready for occupancy pero ginagawa ang inyong carport. And this is the powder room. Ayan. This is meron tayong 1 bedroom here. Okay. Pero yung mga gamit ko hindi kasama, no? And this is your toilet and bath. Okay. So ito yung service door leading to your service area. Okay. So meron tayo dito bathroom. May toilet and bath na siya for the service. This is the staff room. Okay, so this is the staff room guys. And meron ka dito pocket garden and this is your garage na ginagawa pa rin nila, no? Okay, so okay, this is ano naman to your second floor. Okay, so tingnan natin ang ganda ng hagdanan guys. Again, no, original contract price nito ay 35 million pero ngayon ay 28 million outright cash price. Okay, so this is the first bedroom here. Okay, so hindi siya guys, ano ha, yung mga gamit hindi po kasama. Okay, so this is the first bedroom and your toilet and bath. Ang laki guys. This is the walk-in closet. Laminated wood flooring ang ginamit. And this is your ayan balcony. Okay, so ang view mo dito guys, ayan, may swimming pool ka na. Okay, may mountain view. Okay. This is the first bedroom. I think this is the master's bedroom, guys. And this is the second room. Wow. Okay, the toilet and bath. Okay, your bedroom. And meron ka ng built-in cabinet here. And this is the third bedroom, guys. And meron na rin siyang toilet and bath. Laki. Okay, so this is the hallway. So again, this is Rochester. Original price natin. Okay. So this is Rochester. Original price natin, guys, ay 35 million. Okay, outright cash price natin ay 28 million. Okay, so if you are interested to check out this property, guys, contact me today on the numbers visible on the screen. Okay guys, ito naman yung Townsend. Isa rin naka-promo until June 30. So guys, tignan natin ang Townsend. Ang Townsend ay, ang original contract price niya ay 32 million. Outright cash price, 24 million. So big discount, guys. From 32 million to 24 million. Okay, so let's take a look at the property, guys. Guys, ang maganda dito sa Townsend 2, ang pinaka-favorite ko dito, yung pinakalikod nila, guys. Tignan nyo, grabing mountain view yan. Grabe yung view nyo dito, guys. Sobrang ganda. Okay, so let's take a look. This is your carport. Okay. Okay, so this can fit 2 to 4 cars. So this is your porch area. Okay. Wow, ang ganda, guys. So this is the first bedroom. Meron din siyang toilet and bath, guys. Ayan. Okay, so this is ready for occupancy. The Townsend 2. From 32 million, 24 million outright cash price. So this is the living room. Okay, the powder area. And the kitchen. Okay, so this is the kitchen, guys. Ang ganda. Ang aliwanas niya, big windows. And look at the view, no? So tingnan natin yung view dito, guys. Wow. Look at that. So this is your balcony here. Nice. Okay, so tignan natin yung pinakababa, guys. This is the ground floor. It has 3 bedrooms. This is the first bedroom with toilet and bath. Nice. And you have built-in cabinet. And then this is the second room. Ayan. And this is your toilet and bath. Okay. And this is the third bedroom na ngayon ko lang makikita kasi ngayon nabuksan. Okay, so very spacious siya, guys. If you are interested to ayan, to check and buy this property, you can contact me on the numbers visible on the screen. Okay, so guys, ito naman yung ating Lafayette. Ayan, kaya lang nakasarado siya ngayon. Ang original contract price nito, guys, ay 35 million. So ang promo natin, it will end in 3 days. Outright cash price natin dito is 28 million. Has 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath. This is a corner lot, guys. Okay guys, so ito yung bago nating house and lot ready for occupancy, yung Somerset natin. Ayan, yung Somerset. So let's take a look at the Somerset, guys. Again, may promo tayo dito sa Somerset.
Ang promo natin is this is worth 30 million. Ang original contract price niya is 30 million. Pero ngayon guys, naka-offer siya ng 24 million. Okay, so ang ganda rin nito guys, parang Baguio feels ang concept nito. So this is the carport, mga 2 to 4, very spacious ang carport niya dito. And this is, ayan, meron ka pang access dun sa baba. Ayan. And this is the service area. So this is the staff room. Ayan, nice, ang ganda rin, no? Staff room and the toilet and bath. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng toilet and bath niya. Okay, so meron siyang French window dyan. So mga single bed lang dito. And this is the back door. No, mamaya pupuntahan natin sa loob. Okay, so let's take a look guys. So ito yung magiging view mo dito guys. Ayan, ang ganda. Okay, so this is your dito mo yung landscape mo and then the porch area. So again, naka-promo to guys, no, 24 million from 30 million siya guys. Ang ganda nung ginamit na tiles dito sa wall. This is the main entrance and let's take a look. Wow, finished na pala siya guys. So this is the first bedroom. May face window tayo. Only aircon yan, no? And French window. Let's take a look guys. And this is the powder room. Ayan, this is the powder room. Okay. And this is your living area. Again, naka-offer siya guys from 30 million to 24 million. So this is your living room. Look at the ceiling guys. And this is your balcony. Wow. Okay, sobrang laki ng discount nyo dito guys. And this is your kitchen. Nice, ang ganda. This dyan yung ref nyo, cabinets. Look at that guys. Wow. Okay, so let's take a look dun sa baba. Okay, may access ka dito sa garden mo. Okay. So, we have ilang bedroom. So, this is the first bedroom. Finishing na lang talaga sila. Ang kanilang built-in cabinet. And this is the your balcony. Ayan. Okay, nice, no? Okay, so this is the first bedroom dito sa first floor. And look at, meron din siya sariling toilet and bath. Ayan. Ayan, so if you're interested to check out and buy this property, contact me today on the numbers visible on the screen. Okay, ito yung second room. Look at it guys. Mas malaki to. Okay. Laki rin yung big sliding door dito. Ayan, yung inyong magiging garden, guys. Wow, look at that. Ganda. Beautiful. Okay, so you have storage here sa ilalim ng hagdan. And ito, isang room pa siguro to, no? Ginagawa pa nila. Okay, so that's it, guys. Ang ganda. So guys, ito yung summer set natin guys. So dalawang available natin ngayon. Ready for occupancy. And for now, finishing na lang sila guys. Okay? So, this time, last natin pupuntahan yung Roadrunner na naka-promo until June 30.
Okay guys, so ito na yung last na ipapakita ko sa inyo. This is the Roadrunner. The Roadrunner house. Ito yung naka-promo din natin ngayon hanggang June 30 lang, 2024. So from 32 million guys ay 24 million up to June 30. So 3 days na lang guys. So ayan, ginagawa pa naman to, no? Pero pinapakita ko na sa inyo kasi ang laking discount ang ma-avail natin once na kinuha natin siya hanggang June 30. Okay? So ayan yung pinaka-carport. Ayan, di pa natin siya mapasok kasi ginagawa pa. And this is your view dito guys. Wow, the mountain view. Ang hangin. Ang sarap talaga dito sa perch. Ayan. So again, guys, again, if you are interested to check out this property, ayan, or buy this property, contact me today on the numbers visible on the screen. So with that guys, thank you so much and I hope na makita kita until June 30, no? Kasi nga may promo tayo sa mga lots natin, 5 years to pay at 0 interest. Okay, so with that guys, thank you so much and see you on my next video. God bless everyone. Mama Mary loves you. Jesus, we trust in you. Bye.